Hi and welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. This is I think it's part 3. I'm not sure, but this is the double crochet tutorial. We already did the slip knot, chains, and single crochet. Now we're going to do double crochet. Okay, we are at the end here of round 2. Round 3, not round 3. Row 3. For double crochet, we do chain 2 for height. Sorry, chain 3. And actually skipped double crochet and didn't do half double. We'll do that after this tutorial, okay? For double crochet is chain 3 for height, just like the single crochet is only 1. So let's do 3. 1, 2, 3. Once you get used to the height thing, you'll see that if you chain 2, makes it less gappy. But we'll practice that on the second row of double crochets. Okay, we did the chain 3. We're going to turn our work. Now we're going to yarn over. That's simple. Just under over. That's a yarn over. Going to the first single crochet. That's the first stitch. Grab some yarn, pull through. Grab some yarn and pull through 2 only. And you have 2 on your hook. Grab some yarn and pull through the last 2. That's the gap that I was talking about. For the next row, we're going to show you how to do it with just 2, okay? Under over, that means a yarn over. Going to the second stitch, grab some yarn, pull through. There's 3 loops on your hook. Grab some yarn, pull through both. Grab some yarn and pull through the last 2. That is a double crochet. Forgot to put a stitch marker. Not on the chain 3, but on the stitch. If I can, huh? This is why I say I like the other one. Here, let's do the other one. Open wide. Okay, there's the stitch right here. Okay. In some projects, the chain 3 does count, but in this beginner practice, doesn't count. Okay. Make sure you got a stitch marker on there. Yarn over. Go through the 3rd stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both, 2, yarn over and pull through last 2. Yarn over, that's number 3. Go through the stitch, next stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn, pull through 2, grab some yarn and pull through 2. As you can see, it's taller and a little bit more spacious. 4, last stitch, yarn over, grab some yarn and go through the stitch. Grab some yarn and pull through. Grab some yarn and pull through 2, and grab some yarn and pull through last 2. That is the first row of double crochets. We're going to do the second row of double crochets with only chain 2, just to let you see how it looks. Okay, me and my finger. Okay, chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work, grab some yarn, go into the first stitch. Remember, this chain 2 does not count. Grab some yarn, we already did that. Go through the stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn, pull through 2, grab some yarn and pull through last 2. See how less gappy that is? See, it's almost straight too. Okay, let's continue. Yarn over, go in through the stitch, grab some yarn and pull through, grab some yarn, pull through 2, grab some yarn and pull through 2. Grab some yarn, go through the next stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn, pull through 2, grab some yarn and pull through 2. There's 3 stitches. Double crochet. DC stands for double crochet. SC stands for single crochet. Okay, just to let you know. Go into the next stitch, grab some yarn. Grab some yarn. Okay, let's do that one over. Fly distraction. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn, pull through 2, grab some yarn and pull through 2. There's 4. Okay. Grab some yarn, last stitch, go through the stitch where the stitch marker is at, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn, pull through 2, grab some yarn, pull through 2. See the difference? I don't know if you can see. We're going to do one more. I'm going to do it quick so you can see how it looks. Okay? That is a lump. Okay, I'm going to do it fast so you can see the results. Okay? I'm going to chain 2. Turn your work. Get it over. Let's see. First stitch. Well, that wasn't fast, huh? Oops. Three, 4, oops, and 5. Okay, there you go. These are the 2 rows of double crochets without the chain 3. This one here, the first row, is the chain 3. So this is why my recommendation, you don't have to, chain 2 at the beginning of the double crochet rows. I know some patterns have chain 3, but as you can see, there's a little bump right here that for me it's not no. Okay, that is the tutorial for a double crochet. The next one's gonna be the half double crochet. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.